As we do every week on the live stream, we've got a show and tell to wrap things up, and this is a new sheath from Galvanox. Very comparable, you'll notice, to what Leatherman produces, and what Leatherman used to include with a lot of their multi-tools. This, for instance, is a sheath that might have come with your Leatherman Surge, but no longer. These tools are often, there's still some back stock, but often not shipping with a sheath of any kind and no accessories to speak of. That is a shift that Leatherman has made in the past few months. So some brands like Galvanox are kind of stepping up to fill that void. And the first thing I want to talk about is, well, let's run down what this came with and a couple of options that you can get. So this is, obviously, it comes with the sheath. It also came with, I've got it still in the bag here, a brand new Galvanox bit kit, and I love these. This one's missing one, but that's just, this is an old one. Comes with this double-sided Galvanox bit kit that I think matches one-to-one what's included in the Leatherman bit kits with the two sides. And this will slip right into that big back pocket that is made to fit that. And you can also fit a nice full-size multi-tool like the Leatherman Surge. Just a little stretch there, but it fits actually really nicely. It's a big package, but it fits well. You've also got your external pockets on the side that'll hold something like, not included, but the Galvanox bit extender. And on the other side, you've got a nice bigger pen loop for something like a Sharpie. By the way, it always bothered me that Sharpies sit like this on these sheaths. Somebody needs to fix that. But that is the sheath itself. Again, it comes with the sheath and the bit kit for about $30 US. And if we were to compare that to the Leatherman sheath with a bit kit, I've only got one here, but you can get the double bit kit that matches the Galvanox. The sheath itself is $25, and the bit kit is $40. So you're at $65, if my math is right, to match what you get with the Galvanox for $30. If $30 is not what you want to spend, and you already have a bit kit, or you don't want a bit kit, the Galvanox is also available with the bit extender for $20 US. So you've got an option there for this for $5 cheaper than the Leatherman with the bit extender included. So kind of a bonus there. Obviously, both of these sheaths will fit the Leatherman Surge as we showed. However, the Leatherman sheath will not fit. Oh, it'll fit one of the Leatherman sleeves easily in that elastic pocket in the back. It really does not like to fit that Galvanox bit kit in there. A little bit smaller size on that Leatherman sheath. It does fit the Surge quite well. And of course, Leatherman has these available in different sizes for different size tools. Let's see. The same external pockets on that Leatherman, just for a point of comparison, but you do get one additional Velcro closure elastic pocket in the top of the Galvanox here. You can store like a 1/4-inch drive bit in there, or maybe a couple if you were ballsy. But that gives you a couple of those as an option. The clasp on this, it does seem a little bit weaker than the Leatherman's. We'll see how that wears in time. This is a new unit, so it's hard to say. And one last thing I wanted to take a look at is how it fits with something smaller. This is a Leatherman Charge Plus, reasonably close in size to Leatherman Wave, Leatherman Rebar, and things like that. This is where you're going to have less options. We'll have to see if Galvanox has or comes out with a smaller version of this sheath for smaller tools, but I don't really like, can you see how that has a lot of room to work there? Not ideal when you're carrying your multi-tool on your hip. It just shakes around a little more than I'm comfortable with. But that is the Galvanox bit kit. And let's see if there's, as always, we stream every Wednesday morning at 10:30 a.m. Central Time, do our show and tells in that stream, and hang out with viewers. We're getting back to that chat right now, and we'll catch you in the next video, I suppose.